हे फ्रेंड्स, योर रिव्यू सनी के साथ में आपका स्वागत है। आज जो मूवी मैं रिव्यू करने जा रहा हूँ, दैट मूवी इज बीन क्रिएटिंग अ लॉट ऑफ न्यूज, अ लॉट ऑफ हाइप एंड क्रिएटिंग अ लॉट ऑफ एक्साइटमेंट अमंग द यंगस्टर्स ऑन इट्स रिलीज। एंड दैट मूवी इज प्यार का पंचनामा 2। And to give my quick rating on this movie, I rate it a hilarious 4-star rating. This movie is a solid youth material and is strictly for adults. This movie is a power-packed sequel to the prequel Pyar Ka Panchnama, which released in 2011 and created a lot of buzz among the youngsters. And now it's back and they are delivering a lot of punches, a lot of smiles, and a complete laughter outburst all throughout. This movie has a unique story lineup, unlike those typical Bollywood masala flicks which deliver you a predictable climax and some of those predictable scenes. But this movie is unique in its narrative and it delivers you a lot of smiles, it delivers you a lot of laughter, a lot of masala, a lot of masti to keep you going woo and whistling out in the theaters. And one piece of advice to the viewers: do not be judgmental or analyze the situations in the movie. Just enjoy this movie, and I'm sure you'll love this movie to the core. 4 reasons why you need to watch this movie. The first reason would be, as I earlier mentioned, the unique narrative and the story lineup, which is unlike those typical Bollywood movies where you can predict what would happen all throughout in the movie. Then coming to the second point, 2 hours and 16 minutes of the movie nowhere takes you to a point where you feel this film is over-dragging or extra exaggerated. It just goes smooth and delivers you a lot of laugh out loud moments, a lot of laughter outburst moments, a lot of fun, a lot of masti, where you can whistle and go woo all throughout in the movie. And then coming to the third point, that is the performances of the entire cast. And before the performances, we have one add-on feature, that is the beautiful 3 actors in the movie. That is Sonali, Dushant and Ishita. And then in the lead pad, we have the trio Karthik, Omkar and Sunny. And believe me, they have done part justice to their roles. They have been great, they have been sweet, they have been irritating, they have been funny, they have been hilarious at points, and they have delivered a great performance. And then finally coming to the fourth point, I think you remember that 7 minutes long dialogue in Pyar Ka Panchnama, which released in 2011. And in this installment of Pyar Ka Panchnama 2, we have the same 7 minutes dialogue but in a different way, which is put up in a different way, and we see it's hilarious, though it's not matching up to the dialogue which was there in the prequel, but still it is great and impressive. Now let me take you to a quick sneak peek of the story. The story is about 3 roomies. The trio work hard, party hard, and live their life king size. They enjoy their bachelorhood, but one fine day they happen to fall in love. And they get into a relationship, they feel happy, they feel special, but after a point they feel their independence, their freedom is being snatched, they are being irritated, they are being nagged, they are being manipulated, and that's when they feel they are just in a state of frustration. They just try to handle the situation, they just try to compromise, but then things don't seem to work out somewhere, somehow, and that's when they get into extreme condition of frustration and start backfiring to their girlfriends. And then what happens next? Does their relation survive? Do they feel happy with their relationship, or do they come out heartbroken? So to find answers to all such questions or any other questions that are popping out in your mind, please walk into the nearest cinema halls and watch this movie and have your dose of entertainment, fun, musty, and scream out loud, laugh out loud in the theaters. And finally, 2 reasons why you would not prefer watching this movie. The first one would be, if you are one among those who finally end up being judgmental about the movie, judgmental about the story, then this movie will surely disappoint you, because this movie shows you the perspective of a relationship in regard to men. And if you try it in the same reverse way, then you are sure to give a negative judgment and you're sure to be disappointed completely. And then coming to the second point, if you're planning to watch it as a family entertainer or as a family audience film, then this movie has a few offensive and abusive scenes which will disappoint you, and I don't think and I don't prefer you watch it as a family entertainer. And finally, my final verdict would be, it's a your guarantee watch. If you can watch it lightheartedly, you will enjoy it to the core and you'll have a very good weekend with a lot of laughter all around. And it's better if you watch it with a group of friends, because you'll really love watching it with a lot of fun, with a lot of scream and whistles all around. And with this note, this is Sunny Fernandez signing off. And before I sign off, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel, Leo Productions. And you can find my written reviews at https yourreviews.blogspot.in. So this is Sunny Fernandez once again signing off. Thank you, one and all.